What's up, guys? Forex Paid here, and right now we're going to be going over GBP, the trade we took January 29th, 2019. If you guys go to my Instagram, you guys see on the bottom right, Forex Paid, kind of laid out a little quick video on how we took it, but now I'm going to kind of elaborate and go more into detail, kind of how we took it, my thoughts, and what, my eyes were looking out at the charts at the time. So we're going to go back in time. We're going to go bar replay mode. We're gonna go, I say, let's say right here. Let's go back in time, right? So I'm gonna go to you can go to the daily as well too. So go back in time. Okay, let's go back like right here. Okay, so prior to it dropping and us taking the trade and everything like that, we had to draw support resistance lines and all that kind of stuff. So you guys can see, here's what I'm going to do now. So I see we have a good area right here. I'm going to highlight that. Going to string that across. I do this so I know my areas of support and resistance, where price is bouncing from. So we have a good one there. We also have a nice spot right there. Just gonna clone that. We also have another one here. Let's clone that. Okay. Now let's go back to the 4 hour and go back in time. I don't know why it keeps doing that, but okay. So, alright, we go. So we're going. It touches that support. It retouches that support. Right now we're going again. Also, this is a channel. You just go here to the top left. Go to the second column where it says trend line. Scroll down, and it is the fourth to last one. You see parallel channel, and this line indicates a support resistance just within itself. So as you guys can see, when price has went past that line, it could turn into a support, and as it breaks, it can turn into a resistance. Just simple things to look for. But anyways, we're going. Okay. Now when price touches this line up here, right? Let's, for example, let's act as if we had a line here, right? This line here is because we have price here, rejected. We have price here, rejected. And now price has come here, is rejected as well. So we have 3 rejections from that line. Now, pushing forward. Now we have a drop, right? So now, what is our job now? Well, before we can even place a sell or a buy, what do I want to do? I want to, one, just draw little things on the chart that I think could be of an importance later on. So it could be a head and shoulders. I don't know. Could be a head and shoulders. We don't know yet, so we have to wait. Also, it could fall from 61.8. You guys know 61.8 on the fib is the golden ratio. So we'll see. So as we go, we can see. So I myself got caught in this left shoulder trap, right? I got caught thinking touch of the left shoulder and we'll get the drop from there, but had to be a little bit more patient, right? So we took a slight 25 pip L on this one, as you guys can see here, as it just shot up after that. And after it touched that left shoulder, we took that L. We had our sell limits, I believe, in between this 38 and the 61.8. As you guys know, 61.8 is the golden ratio on the fib. So as we continue, you can see now once it literally once it touched the 61.8, it melted away. As you guys can see there, I think we had our TP around this level as well too. And you guys can see that I got blasted perfectly. All right, and it came all the way down here, and I believe that is about 500 pips. We secured at about 280, just around there. So let's go back really quick. Let's go back in time. Like to right here. Now to learn from this, normally you'd want this left shoulder, at least above the 50. If you're gonna take like a left shoulder to right shoulder sell, because normally the left shoulder is bigger than the right shoulder, right? So I wouldn't call this a head and shoulders. I just call it a bounce from 61.8, because normally you have something like this. Normally the left shoulder is a little bit bigger than the right one. You can back test this and look for stuff like that, but yeah, as you guys can see, it failed to bounce from here in that 38.2. So after we took the L on that, as I stated, we re-entered in between that 38.2 and the 61.8. As soon as literally as soon as it touched 61.8, literally it melted away. So that's how accurate you could be using fibs and just knowing little things like that, and learning from mistakes, either your own mistakes or other people's mistakes, like I'm showing you now. So yeah, that was that. Actually, but before and after with GBP odd, as you guys can see, as we re-entered within the 38.2 and the 61.8, and as you guys can see, where this is on the 1 hour, so I drew like a little resistance line, drew this support and that resistance. As you guys can see, we got a perfect bounce from 61.8 and rejected this support. As you guys can see there, this before and after was beautiful. GBP odd smashed both of our TPs, and that was that. So